lock you up as well. She's getting arrested. Why are you doing? Unit's coming. Don't worry. She hasn't done anything. She's autistic.
Welcome to the Lion Legal Channel. In this video, you will see the West Yorkshire police arrested someone and it caused an outcry. Keep on watching until the end. Like, comment and subscribe.
She's autistic and don't arrested. I'm telling you, I've got Unit's coming. She's going to be arrested tonight. I'll wait till the police officer's coming. I'll like explain.
That's why we got her on in the first place.
If I get put calm down. She's autistic. Can you stop staring at her, please? She's got autism. Can you just stand there? She's in a cupboard. She can't go anywhere. She can't go anywhere. Stand there, dear. They're going to remove her for what? With your woman. Think she said the word lesbian.
So what you see in the video is that the West Yorkshire police were called to a house and there was an autistic teenager there. When that autistic teenager saw a police officer, they stated to the police officer that she looks like her lesbian nan. Nan is colloquial phrasing for grandmother. So based on that statement, the police arrested that teen, that 16-year-old girl, for essentially a hate crime. And if you look at the particular statute which has likely been applied, which is Section 29B of the Public Order Act, Section 29B states that a person who uses threatening words or behavior is guilty of an offense if they intend to stir up hatred on the grounds of a person's orientation. The wording of the statute itself says that there has to be intent. There has to be intent here. How does a 16-year-old girl simply comparing the appearance of one person to her grandmother, how is that considered intending to stir up hatred? A defense attorney would have a field day with this. But more importantly, what it actually does is that it highlights the fragility of a person's freedom of speech and protections and the sanctity of human expression, which has been impinged, seemingly impinged daily by a cascade and a Byzantine maze of laws that can be applied at any time to arrest you. So this means that this 16-year-old girl cannot comment on any similar characteristics that anybody else has to her grandmother. That is essentially the logic of what just took place. That's why there's been an outcry about this. And it's very interesting what people have to say about this. It's very interesting the way that the law was applied in this case. And people have to think about what free speech actually exists, if there is free speech, and how they have to conduct themselves in several instances, even in your own home. You're not allowed to comment on certain things or say certain things. So it's a very interesting situation. A lot of people have highlighted the fact that the teenager is autistic. That is a non-issue as far as I'm concerned in this case. Even if she was not autistic, even if she had no medical issues, no potential learning difficulty, etc., would that mean that she could still be arrested without an outcry for stating what she stated if she did not do so with any malice, hatred, or negative intent behind it? This is something which has to be discussed, and I am surprised that people don't actually highlight issues like this more, because we have to have an honest debate so that people know the limits of their speech, what they can't say. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.